Haha, it's 5:30 and it's Friday. We're going shopping. Grab my keys. Get myself a face mask. Gotta get my wallet. They won't let me walk out of the store with free stuff. It'd be nice though. All right. Let's not keep Mike waiting. It's so good to be off of work for the weekend. I like it. We're gonna go pick up a drill press. We've been needing one for a while and never had a real reason to pick one up until we ran into something with a spindle on a brake setup. We have a snap bolt we're trying to extract. It's better to drill it out, easier. And it's a reason to go buy one. I've been wanting one for a while. Right, Mike?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up?
Where's your mask, bro? You trying to give me COVID?
It's right here.
All right. Oh, damn, I have a bunch of masks. Oh, damn, I'm low on fuel. We gotta stop for fuel. Hopefully we make it and don't get stranded. I think we'll be all right.
I hope so. If I ain't pushing.
Oh, there's a big boy. I don't think either of us can push this. All right, we'll see you guys at the store. We gotta drive. Here's the press we're getting. Supporter cable. I think it'll do the job. Let's go get someone to help us. We are back. Gotta offload this press now and we'll be in business. I don't think we're gonna build it tonight though because I had a long day at work. And that's the thing, you get out of work on some days and you don't have the energy to do a lot of things. And you gotta be okay with that because if not, you're gonna burn yourself out. You'll either burn yourself out at work, stressing because you have stuff to do afterwards, or you burn yourself out in the hobby because you're always trying to do something with the hobby and you don't spend time, you don't give yourself the time you deserve or time to your family. So at least we picked this up. Probably build it tomorrow anyway. I'll be off tomorrow, so I should be able to do that. That's it. We got what we needed. Let's see. We got the quarter cable, drill press. It's a very entry level one, but it had some pretty good reviews. It had like 4.2 on Lowe's site. That's good enough for me because I'm not doing anything too industrial. I'm just getting started with some fabrication that I'll be doing for some of the cars. And that's pretty much it. Got some screw extractor. The only thing about these that they're not rated, this one at least isn't rated for a drill press. But if you go light enough, you can use them. You just have to be pretty careful. And I got a 532, so another one. And some good actual metal bits in different sizes. I can get them all out this bag. Got a 732. We got a 1/4 inch, 1964. Come on, there we go. And a 3/16. A drill press vise. Do I need to hide? There we go. So, pretty good stuff. And that's it for today. It was just a quick vlog of what the hell is going on. We forgot one thing. These actual rotors and hubs. Well, let's start with the hubs first because it really comes down to the hubs. The new hubs that are in here, they have play. They rock back and forth, and it always felt like it wouldn't grab on no matter how tight you got them in there. So there was about a 1/4 inch gap or so, maybe an inch gap. And we found that we forgot to put the spacers for those hubs. Can you see me? Yeah, but these. We forgot to put these on. So that explains that. We'll fix it, probably get it to size, but we still have to modify these knuckles, these brake pads. Shave a little bit off the contact points to allow this rotor to spin because it's about 2.5 millimeters thicker and taller than the original rotors. So we'll see what happens. It is 7 p.m. on the dot. Make sure you subscribe, like this video. If you don't like, double tap that dislike button. And any comments, any conversations that you'd like to have, let's talk about it in the comments. And we'll see you next time.